As for people in the tri-state struggling to get by during the government shutdown, there might be new hope.
But it means families already in need should be careful with how much food they buy with food stamps during the next 2 months. 9 on your side's Paolo Suro explains.
It's day 25 of the government shutdown, the nation's longest shutdown in history. And soon food assistance will be made available earlier than its normal date. That's where Hamilton County Job and Family Services comes in.
It's the same payment that they would have gotten in February, but they're getting it early.
Early sounds like a good thing, but that early assistance has to last the 100,000 Hamilton County food assistance recipients through March. That's 2.5 months away.
We want folks to know that is not a bonus payment. It's an actual payment that they just will hopefully be able to manage with their families over that potentially 2-month period.
Director of Hamilton County Job and Family Services, Moira Weir, says about 1 in 6 individuals need food assistance each month to help meet their family's needs for food. Some of those families are federal employees who didn't receive a paycheck last week. So JFS is taking this step to make sure they can make ends meet for now.
Most of our families are working 2 or 3 jobs, and they are really dependent upon this to help meet the needs of their family, to help them eat throughout the month.
Patricia Brumley worked for the IRS for 20 years. She feels for families of current federal workers who are in tough spots. She's now disabled and has received food assistance for the past decade.
It is crucial. If I did not get my food stamps every month, then I wouldn't eat. I would barely eat, if at all.
She says she knows she'll be able to stretch this early assistance through March because she doesn't have kids.
So now they don't have money because they're not working. They're furloughed. Now the food stamps are coming early. So it's just like putting a Band-Aid, I guess, on it.
But she says for other families, the shutdown could have a more drastic impact.
Not only are they going to not have food at the end of this month or at the end of, next month, if the government doesn't open back up, they're going to be looking for a place to live. Oh, my goodness. I mean, it just goes on and on. It's just a scary situation for a lot of people.
Paolo Suro, 9 on your side.
Hamilton County says other programs, including Medicaid, temporary assistance to families in need, and child care funding, as of now, are not being impacted by the shutdown. Job and Family Services plans to educate the public as well on how to make sure they use their benefits appropriately so that they will last through March.